And the Embu County government has launched a youth agribusiness strategy aimed at unlocking the potential of agriculture among the youth. Alex Mwangi attended the forum in Embu, which was graced by 7 cabinet secretaries, and now reports on the latest county-based attempt to make agriculture a career of interest among the youth.
Pomp and colour marked the launch of the Embu County agribusiness strategy, which, if successful, will address the twin challenges of food insecurity and unemployment.
This summit must be the beginning of the transformational paradigm shift in the agricultural sector, and especially in agribusiness. In Europe, they no longer look at farming for survival, but as a business. And that's the way forward for you.
We will not succeed if the youth are not involved in agriculture.
Most young people, however, would rather chase after a white-collar office job than get dirty in the field. But interest is slowly picking up.
Masuala ambayo nimeweza kufaidika nayo ni kama vile unaweza kukuza mimea na ukauza online through online marketing. Actually nimefanya agriculture in Form 4, nilifanya course ya agriculture na inaweza ikanisaidia especially kwa kuongana hiyo passion ya kukuza chickens, rearing of chickens.
I've benefited a lot because there are things I didn't know. Like I wanted clarification about the imports and exports of food products, specifically horticulture. So I would really consider agriculture as a side hustle, actually like a main hustle.
Embu County is largely agricultural and, like the rest of the nation, faces a demographic dividend of youth.
The sector is currently unproductive because of how we have engaged the young people. Having been a young person also in the sector for the last 11 years, I know where the shoe pinches. Because we have been singing all the time. The young people have refused to get into agriculture, but I would say the young people are in agriculture, but they have been struggling.
The launch of the Embu County Youth Agribusiness Strategy for 2019 to 2023 is a great start for the county of Embu when it comes to encouraging the youth to pursue and take up agriculture as a career. The county will, however, have to put in place mechanisms to evaluate the effectiveness of the strategy if it is to become effective not only to the county but also to the nation. Alex Mwangi for NTV in Embu County.